Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the server IP address or server DNS address could not be found error. To get started, simply search for View Network Connections and open it. From here, go to the properties of the network you are currently connected to. Select IPv4 and go to its properties. Make sure this option is selected and in the DNS server type this address and save the change. Now close this window. Search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in the commands as you see in the screen in order and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close the CMD window and restart your computer and this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, then continue with the next step. Simply search for network reset and open it. From here, click on reset now and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.